Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Timber Creek in Fort Myers, and today we're previewing this Orchid villa that's available for sale with a November closing date. Let's run inside and take a look at this available villa. It's the only one left. So with the villas, you do have a side entry. However, we are going to enter through the garage here since we're in a construction zone, but this home is going to be ready here at the end of November. You get a 2-car garage with the villa, 2 bedrooms, 1 den. This would be your laundry room here. One thing about this villa, you'll notice there is tile throughout, which is really nice. You've got a guest bathroom there with the combination tub and shower. And right here you have your guest bedroom. You'll have the bifold style closet doors right there. The guest bath is right here with the singular sink. And then there's that front door entry we were mentioning. And coming through to the right side is going to be your den. So this is where your den is, really nice sized den here. You'll have the dual doors. And just off of that, you have the kitchen area here with the white cabinets. You'll have a full stainless appliance package as well. And that overlooks your great room spaces here and your dedicated little eat-in or dining space that would be right in this corner area. Now, towards the back of this villa is your master bedroom. Again, notice that there's no carpet in this home, only tile. So nice sized master. And then you've got your master bath here. That's going to be your shower. Nice sized closet. And then you do have split vanities. So you have one here. That's your enclosed water closet right here. And there's your other vanity. Last but not least is your viewpoint. So from the back of this villa, you're going to have an attractive lake view here. And just beyond that, those are the townhomes here at Timber Creek. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this villa, it is the last one that's available for sale here, new construction at Timber Creek. You can reach us at all the information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.